Walkman.
What's up, y'all? It is the master of disaster, the petite potentate of the party down.
The verbiage.
Yeah.
Raconteur and bon vivant, Mr. J.D. Butter. And I'm back with some more video documentation of the Team Dizzle idiom. I come to you live, ladies and gentlemen, from Joshua Tree. No concept really of time. Everyone's taken off their watches, and we haven't turned on televisions or any such madness that you city dwellers do.
Oh, fuck that.
We're just sitting on this little 5-acre swath of land, looking at this this burbling fire.
I think this is called homesteading.
Okay. Whatever helps you sleep at night, buddy. No, I'm kidding. Let's do a little roll call in the Oh, I caught some of the lightning. Yes! Yes!
Nice. We got...
Where was I?
Peanut gallery over there.
Over to the right, of course, the notorious GIB. You can't see him. Uncle Charlie, right here. Dave Jameson. We got the ace man, Matty Vogt. And off in the distance, let's see if we can hear him, is Rafa. Where you at?
Si, senor.
Chilling in the hammock, looking at the stars. Probably you can't see it, but it's an unbelievable starscape, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, more lightning. The camera was looking the other way. Damn it.
Wow, that was...
You see Orion, dude.
Keep it, you know.
Well, you only have so much video. I guess I could download it. But as I was saying, you know, this is how we do. Team Dizzle style, chilling, good friends, grubbing, drinking, starting fires, and putting out fires.
Okay, Big Dipper, Little Dipper.
I am J.D. Butter, bringing the world together, one campfire at a time.